Hey everyone, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be sharing how to create such a dewy and glowy makeup look step by step, especially for the beginners. So stay tuned till the end and create this look with me. So I have already washed my face using the face cleanser, and now I will be using the moisturizer which is from Lotus Herbals, and it is very important to keep your face hydrated to achieve a dewy and glowy makeup base. At the next step, I have seen many people to skip, but no matter what the season is, you need the sunscreen because sunscreen protects you from damaging UV rays, skin cancer, discoloration, and wrinkles. And this sunscreen from Lotus Organics is free from any harsh chemicals and completely safe for all skin types. This sunscreen is made with 100% certified organic extracts, and upar se it is paraben, sulfate, cruelty, and preservative free. It has SPF 50 PA triple plus, which means it has very good protective abilities against UV rays. It has certified organic white peony extracts in it, which gives a lightweight and non-greasy look. Take 1 or 2 pump on your hand, warm it up, and then pat it on your face and neck. It reduces the possibilities of the sunburn, suntan, premature aging, and it also brightens up the skin. So don't forget to try out this sunscreen. I have put down the link below in the description box, and you can also use my coupon code to get extra 10% discount. And the last step for prepping your skin is the primer. This primer from K Beauty color corrects and minimizes the pores, and at the same time it is very hydrating, so it is absolutely perfect for achieving the dewy base. And I know I have taken a little bit extra product this time, so it took some more time for blending. So as I have combination skin and the products I have used till now were very hydrating, so for the foundation I have chosen this one from Sugar Cosmetics, which gives a very matte finish. If you have dry skin, please choose a foundation which gives a dewy finish rather than the matte one. But if you have super to super dry skin, you can mix your foundation with any facial oil to get a dewy finish. And next I will be using the Creme Contour. I know you guys haven't seen me using the Creme Contour that much, but if you want to achieve a dewy like finish to your makeup base, you need to apply the cream products underneath your powder products. And make sure you are blending your cream product nicely, otherwise it will leave harsh lines. Next I will be using the concealer from K Beauty to highlight my face, and by the way, all the shade details are given in the description box, so you can definitely check them out from there. Blending your cream products using the beauty blender rather than the brush gives the better seamless finish. As I told you guys earlier, cream products make your base look more hydrating, glowy, and healthy looking. So for the blush also, I will be using a liquid one today. There is no exception in case of highlighter also, so I have used that liquid highlighter from Makeup Revolution, and I have highlighted the highest points of my face. So all the cream products applications are done now. I will be applying the powder products now. So I have started with the Sugar Cosmetics compact powder to set my concealer. And by the way, I will be using a very less amount of product in case of all the powder products. Now to set my cream contour, I will be using the powder contour from PAC Cosmetics. And to set the liquid blush, I have used that powder blush from Sugar Cosmetics. And for the powder highlighter, I have used that NY Shine and Shimmer highlighter, and will be applying it on top of my liquid highlighter. So the base makeup is done now, and to set it I will be using the makeup fixer from Glam 21 Cosmetics and will be waiting for 1 to 2 minutes for drying it out. And in the meanwhile I have done my eyebrows. For the eye makeup I have taken this eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is one of my fav. So taking that darker shade, I have applied it in the crease lines, and for the lower eyelid I have applied that same shade and blended it very nicely. And for the eyelid I have taken that shimmery eyeshadow from the same palette and filled in all through it. Taking the powder highlighter, I have highlighted the inner corner of the eyes, and for the waterline I have used a white kajal from Wet n Wild, and I have curled my eyelashes before the mascara application. So yeah, that's it for the eye makeup. And for the lips I have used this lip gloss from Mars. I don't know whether it's a dupe or not cause I have ordered it from Meesho and there is no shade name on it, but I absolutely loved that color. So yeah. So how was this makeup look, guys? I have absolutely loved that makeup look, how it has turned out so dewy, glowy and colorful and so clean looking. So let me know in the comment section if you have enjoyed watching this makeup look, and also don't forget to like and share this video, guys. And if anyone new here, please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, love you, and bye bye.